So to be a team player, you need to be able to collaborate and work well with others.
I've learned that you have to be open-minded. You have to be considerate of other people's feelings. You have to get along with them.
It's really easy to do it here because the environment has just been so incredible and everybody is really collaborative in ideas and ways of thinking.
The people here at Girlfriends, all of them to a person, they really enjoy what they do. And they really come every day and try and give their best.
And I really like to see the group succeed as a whole.
And so when I came here and I had this amazing team to collaborate with, it kind of made me realize I don't have to be afraid to ask questions.
We try all kinds of crazy things, and it's a ton of fun. Do they all work? No. Do a lot of them? Yeah, they do. But we have a really good time getting to go implement those things.
At that point, they have ownership of what they're doing because they believe in it, and they go home and I think they feel very satisfied with the work they do.
Everybody comes and really gives it their all, 100% every day, to try and make sure that we take care of the customers, we take care of each other, and that we live these core values.
To be a team player just means to participate in actively growing as a company.